Create a new folder in your Obsidian file explorer called Goals, then a second called Action Plans, and a third called Reviews. That's the entire folder structure you need for a clean, focused goal tracker. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. These 3 folders form the backbone of your system. The Goals folder will hold every objective you set. The Action Plans folder stores the specific steps you'll take to reach each goal, and the Reviews folder captures your progress checks and reflections. By keeping them separate, you avoid clutter and make it easy to find exactly what you need. Inside your Goals folder, create a new note and title it Goal Dashboard. This note becomes your command center. Start with a level 1 heading, #Goal Dashboard. Then add a level 2 heading for Goal Overview, followed by a bullet point with no text yet. Add another level 2 heading for active goals, then list numbers 1, 2, and 3. Under that, create a level 2 heading for goal details and write a simple template, a colon after the words goal, category, priority, target date, and status, with spaces to fill in later. Then add a level 2 heading for milestones, another for related action plans, and a final one for progress updates. This dashboard gives you a single page where you can glance at all active goals and their current state, so you never lose sight of what matters most. Now, inside the same Goals folder, create a separate note for each goal you want to achieve. For example, you might name one, Learn Spanish, and another, Grow Business Revenue. In each goal note, include a brief description of the outcome you want, the purpose behind it, a target completion date, and your success criteria, what exactly counts as done. Add a list of related milestones, which are smaller checkpoints along the way, and any supporting notes or linked resources. Storing each goal in its own note means you can update it independently without crowding the dashboard, and you can link directly to it from other notes later. Next, go to your Action Plans folder and create a note called Action Tracker. Start with #Action Tracker, then a level 2 heading for current actions and a bullet point. Add another level 2 heading for action details, and under that list the words task, related goal, priority, due date, and status, each followed by a colon. Then add completed actions, also with a bullet point, and finally notes. This tracker becomes the place where you record every task that moves you forward. When you add a new action item, you fill in the details, what the task is, which goal it supports, how urgent it is, when it needs to be done, and whether it's not started, in progress, or complete. As you finish tasks, move them to the completed actions section, which gives you a visible record of progress over time. As your list of actions grows, organize them by goal, by priority, or by due date. You might decide that all high priority tasks for a single goal belong at the top of the list. The real power here comes from Obsidian's internal links. In your action tracker, under action details, you can type 2 square brackets. Start typing the name of a goal note and select it. That creates a clickable link directly to that goal. So whenever you're reviewing your actions, you can jump straight to the goal it supports. Linking works both ways. You can also go into your goal dashboard or a specific goal note and link to the action tracker, creating a connected web of information. Now move to the Reviews folder. Create a note called Progress Review. Start with #Progress Review, then a level 2 heading for review date with a colon after date. Add achievements, challenges, next steps, and notes, each as a level 2 heading with a bullet point or colon. The idea is to set a regular schedule, weekly or monthly, where you open this note, write the current date, list the goals you reviewed, note what you accomplished, honestly record any obstacles you faced, decide on next actions, and add any reflections. This habit transforms goal setting from a one-time activity into an ongoing process of improvement. To tie everything together, link your goal dashboard to each individual goal note. In the active goals section, type the name of a goal note inside double square brackets. Then in that goal note, link back to the dashboard. Also link each goal note to the action tracker and to the progress review note. Now, when you open any goal note, you see links that take you straight to the tasks for that goal and the reviews you've written about it. You've built a system where every piece of information is one click away. Take it a step further by adding properties to your goal notes. Open any goal note, click the 3 dots in the upper right, and choose Add Property. You could add a property called Category and set it to personal, career, or health. Add status with values like not started, in progress, or complete. Add priority as high, medium, or low. Add target date as a date field. These properties let you sort and filter your goals directly in the File Explorer or in a search query, making it fast to find only high-priority goals that are still in progress. Tags provide another layer of organization. Inside any goal note, type a hash sign followed by a category such as hash business, hash health, or hash education. Tags appear in the Obsidian tag pane, and you can click any tag to see every note that uses it. This is useful when you have goals that cross multiple folders, or when you want to group goals by theme without moving them. Finally, establish a simple workflow. First, create a new goal note in the Goals folder. Second, open your action tracker and add the initial tasks you need to complete for that goal. Third, as you work, update the status of each task and move completed items to the Completed Actions section. Fourth, on your regular review day, open the Progress Review note, reflect on what happened, and adjust your plan. This loop, create, act, review, adjust, keeps your goals alive rather than collecting dust. You've now built a complete goal tracker inside Obsidian using just 3 folders and 3 notes, connected by links, organized by properties and tags, and driven by a repeatable review routine. The benefit is a centralized workspace where every ambition, every task, and every reflection lives together and informs each other. Try reviewing your goals at the end of each week and archive any completed goal notes to a separate folder so they don't clutter your active view. Save this video or bookmark these steps so you can come back whenever you want to refine your system. Now open your vault and create that first folder. You've got this.